Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to announce a short update, and you know what, let me cut straight to the chase. France is in confinement once again, and this means that I'm confined here on campus at HEC Paris. So all of my classes have already been online since pretty much the beginning of the semester, except for like the first 1 or 2 weeks. But now we're confined officially to top that off. Alright, so what does this mean for me? What does this mean for us? What does this mean for students of HEC? This means that all of our classes are gonna be online at least till the end of the year. This was kind of expected though, but this also means that we're not actually allowed to leave the campus for the next 4 weeks. And that's not because the campus is locked, it's because the rest of France outside of the campus is locked. But we can still walk around freely inside of the campus. This means that we're not stuck in our rooms, which is nice. And this also means we can go for a walk, you can go for a run, you can maybe even meet some people in small groups, perhaps, I think, so far. However, you cannot meet outside in large groups, and that's obvious. I mean, you can't meet outside or inside in large groups. Yeah, large groups are not happening. And of course, all the academic and sports buildings are closed as well, so you cannot enter any one of those. The food situation is not too bad. We're still allowed to go outside basically to get groceries, which is nice. You just need to get like this attestation on your phone, like a PDF, and you just need to have that on you, and you can leave the campus, you can go outside to go get groceries from the grocery store. The good thing for us is that there's a big supermarket right outside, so that's where I'm gonna go when I feel like spending my money, and also to get food. The on-campus student restaurant is gonna remain open for takeout during the week for lunchtime as well as dinner time, and on the weekend just for lunchtime. This entire situation is going to last for 4 weeks until December. But this is what they said the last time as well. They said that it's going to be 2 weeks, but they extended it. So like, you never know, it could get extended. I'm kind of expecting it to get extended as well, but yeah, can't say. How do I feel about this entire situation? To be honest, actually, I'm not too worried. I've been through confinement in France before, and I think it was way worse the first time around, so this time it's actually a lot better. The last time I was in a small studio without any friends around me, and it was also the first time that I was confined like that, so there was also like this fear of the unknown. I was also not at all prepared for it in terms of like setting up my room, in terms of equipment, in terms of furniture, all of that. This time around, I kind of anticipated at the minimum that I would be spending a lot of time in my room, so I set up my room really well for that reason. And I also kind of saw the possibility of another confinement, and so I feel like I'm quite comfortable in my room right now, which is, yeah, I'm really grateful for that. I've made my room quite practical as well as cozy, so that it really feels like a home and not just like a student room, you know. I will be making a very detailed video about my room tour very soon, so stay tuned for that. But for now, this is what it looks like. The good thing about this confinement is that I'm also on campus, so that means I'm not stuck on my studio. I can go outside, I can go for a walk, I can get fresh air. It's much nicer. And moreover, a lot of my friends are also still on campus, which is great, so at least I'm not alone like the last time. But yeah, getting back to that fear of the unknown that I mentioned earlier, it also feels much better this time because I don't think it's as scary. The first time it was like this whole situation was very new. We had no idea what was gonna happen, how long it's gonna last, what's gonna happen if I get sick, all of that. But this time there's no fear of the unknown. There's still a bit of fear, but it's more of a fear of the known rather than the unknown. Not fully known, but more known than it was the first time. The next question a lot of you might have is that, will I be going back to India? Yeah, this is a tough question for me to answer. To be honest, this is a bit of a dilemma for me as well. I think I'm not going to be going back home right now. Definitely not for the next 4 weeks, and potentially for quite some more time after that as well. So my biggest worry about going back home to India is getting stuck there in case borders close or there are no flights available, because this is something that happened a lot the first time around. If I'm going to be stuck, I'd rather be stuck here than to be stuck back in India. Another issue of going back to India is that in January, I'm going to start looking for jobs and internships, and I don't think I want to be stuck in India at that time during a very crucial moment in my entire master's. Moreover, if I fall sick during the time I'm going to be searching for jobs, it's going to become really complicated and it'll be very unfortunate, so I don't want to take that risk either. So yeah, all these things considered, I really don't think it's a good idea for me to go back to India. The big downside to that is that I could potentially be spending my Christmas break here on campus, or at least in France. I'm not sure if I'll be able to travel around that time. Away from my family, and most of my friends would have gone home as well at that time. But we'll see. I'm sure I'm not going to be the only one on campus during that time, and maybe I'm not on campus, maybe I'll go somewhere else if possible, but yeah, That's just like, I really wish I could have gone back home at that time, but I don't really know if that's gonna happen. Well, so here begins season 2 of Confined in France. I'll keep you guys updated as I go along, and feel free to ask any questions about the situation or anything like that in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Most likely, I'm going to be uploading a room tour video, as well as my thoughts on online classes after having been through them for the last month and a half or so. Very soon. It's all gonna come, so stay tuned for that. And speaking of which, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I don't want you to be missing out on all of that sweet content. I'm kidding. I don't want you to be missing out on all of these videos that I'm going to be putting up. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button if you like this video. Or don't. I mean, it's completely up to you. Follow me on Instagram, do all those things. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.